This is for beginners or whoever doesn't know how to use this, okay? Now, this is a Kenmore, and I brought this from a thrift store for 25 bucks, right? Now, if you go to Facebook Marketplace, you might find them for 25, 50, 100, 200. I just brought the most basic one I could find, right? Either way, I went to YouTube and I learned how to use it. Now, it's very, very easy to use, but it does take time to learn how to thread it. But it's definitely worth it. First of all, it has a pedal. Yeah, I mean, this pedal goes into here, and pedal, normally sewing machine pedals have a place where a plug goes in and a pedal goes. The pedal is so you can sew, and this goes into the machine, and it's a two-way plug. Okay, the thread that we're using is just regular sewing machine thread. Okay, so I take my pedal, I'm gonna put this on the floor, and I'm gonna plug my plug up. I'm gonna cut these, boom. Your serger machine cuts and sews at the same time. I'm gonna just cut right here, cut these off, cut these straight across. I cut me a little half-inch slit. And then now, let me get you up close here. Okay, so now, if you look, there is a little teeny knife right here. This is what does the cutting. This little knife, there's a little knife here that cuts as you go. You wanna look where your half-inch cut is, and you wanna put it under the plate and put it right at the line at the edge. Then drop your plate, and then it cuts as you sew. Now, if you're not good with measurements, you need to mark a line all the way around. Me, I know I'm used to sewing, so I'm just only gonna do that half-inch. See where the excess is? When you finishing it off, now you see where it started at? I wanna cut right where this knife is gonna cut this part off to here, and then overlap this here. And then when you overlap it, keep sewing and let the string come all the way out. And then, there you go. You just cut that right there. Just to cut and sew side. And that's how you use it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you.